After ringing the Nasdaq closing bell on St. Patrick's Day in celebration of its 5th year as a public company, Aeva has a lot to be happy about as it expands the deployment of CityOS in the Atlanta, Georgia area. CityOS is what Aeva calls an AI-powered intelligent transportation platform. After an initial rollout near busy locations like Centennial Olympic Park and the Georgia World Congress Center, the Georgia Department of Transportation has approved scaling the system to 30 additional intersections, making this one of the first large-scale implementations of LiDAR-based intelligent traffic infrastructure in the U.S. CityOS is designed to transform traditional road infrastructure into smart systems by combining Aeva's 4D LiDAR sensors with edge-based AI and advanced analytics. These systems continuously monitor and analyze the movement of vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and other road users in real time, generating data meant to improve road safety, optimize traffic flow, and support urban planning. At the core of CityOS is Aeva's proprietary frequency-modulated continuous wave (FMCW) 4D LiDAR technology. Unlike conventional traffic monitoring tools such as cameras, radar, or inductive loops, this system captures both 3D position and velocity simultaneously. This allows for highly precise tracking of moving objects and their trajectories. It also functions reliably in all lighting conditions, including darkness and glare, while preserving privacy, since it does not rely on identifiable imagery. Each equipped intersection uses Aeva Atlas Orion sensors to provide full coverage and detailed situational awareness. The system supports a wide range of applications, including detecting wrong-way drivers, monitoring vulnerable road users, analyzing near misses, and improving traffic signal timing. It also enables long-term planning by generating detailed mobility data. CityOS runs on NVIDIA's AGX Orin platform, which allows real-time data processing directly at the edge, rather than relying on cloud connectivity. This reduces latency and ensures faster response times. The platform produces actionable insights through dashboards, alerts, and reporting tools used by transportation agencies. As CityOS drives the shift from passive traffic monitoring systems to active, intelligent infrastructure capable of understanding and responding to complex traffic environments. It's positioned as a scalable solution for modern cities facing congestion, safety concerns, and increasing transportation complexity. Beyond smart infrastructure, Aeva is also putting its 4D LiDAR technology to use in other sectors like defense. For example, Aeva has been selected by Forterra to supply LiDAR sensors for its autonomous vehicle platform, AutoDrive. These systems are used in challenging environments like military logistics and reconnaissance. Aeva's sensors enhance the vehicle's ability to detect obstacles, navigate terrain, and operate in GPS-denied or hazardous conditions. In the automotive industry, Aeva has partnered with NVIDIA to integrate its 4D LiDAR technology into the NVIDIA Drive Hyperion autonomous vehicle platform. This platform is used by global automakers to develop Level 3 and Level 4 self-driving vehicles. Aeva's sensors improve perception by providing accurate 3D sensing along with real-time velocity data, enabling better object detection, tracking, and decision-making in both day and night conditions. The collaboration targets production vehicle programs starting around 2028. Additionally, Aeva is expanding into AI data center infrastructure with the development of a high-power semiconductor optical amplifier, SOA. This technology addresses growing challenges in data centers related to power efficiency, heat management, and bandwidth demands driven by AI workloads. The new SOA delivers high optical output power and efficiency, supporting advanced architectures like co-packaged optics. On top of that, it's designed for scalability, reliability, and cost-effectiveness.